tak tak. Mapi mo. Hello, how are you?
Yes.
All good?
Fine.
All good. Which school you are?
Yeah.
Which school?
Stop.
Oh, that school. Okay.
Oh,
Yeah.
camera. Yes, camera.
Okay. Oi. Good.
Oh, bro. Oh, you too.
How are you? Okay.
Fine.
Yeah. No. Okay. Very good. Very good. I come from Nompo. Nompo. Like that.
This is Mukwat.
Yes, it is. You have nice town. Very nice town.
Look at this one.
Paila. Okay, mo. Okay, whatever he said. So I was saying that mau kurbat. Hello. How are you? All good.
I want to ask you some questions.
Yes, of course.
What is of all the places you've been in Meghalaya? Which is the favorite place you've been?
Favorite place? That is a good question. There is I like all the towns where I have been visit, and there is different. There is different goods on the places, right? But one obviously the biggest town where I have been is Chowai. Yeah, Chowai is definitely the most developed town where I have visited so far.
From a very long way from Finland.
Yes.
How do you? I mean, how do you end up here?
How I came here?
Yeah.
That is a long story, but actually that story also you can find in YouTube.
Good. Hyvä. Good.
Hyvä.
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 Olen hyvä.
Yeah, hyvä. Hyvä is good in Finnish. Okay, brother, I will go more. Okay, so I was saying that Maukarwat is headquarter of Southwest Khasi Hills. Headquarter. Hello, how are you?
I texted you when you asked
Hello.
when it's going to be market day, no?
Yes.
I replied to your message, but
We got many messages.
Oh, that's why.
But I got also information that some people say Wednesday, some people say
Wednesday is
Thursday.
like, small market, but Saturday is like big.
Saturday is big market. A few people who say Thursday. So I needed to look which one, because so many messages came. Then I look like, okay, it's Wednesday and Saturday.
And these also are your fans.
Oh, thank you very much. Good play. Yes, we look like a brothers. We have also mustache like.
Yeah, the same.
Yes.
Just his hair.
Yeah.
Shano would like.
Shano is Hane.
That place where you park your auto, no?
Yeah.
Very near to our house.
Oh, we near to your house.
That's why my.
Your house. Let's go visit.
So how is your experience here?
It was good.
It's good.
I like the like a small town.
Yeah.
I like it. It's nice
You
one.
came all by yourself.
Yes.
Ah.
With God. I always come with God.
Oh.
Hello. Good play. Oh. Chung.
Here is Chung means house, home.
Chung is house.
Chung.
Yeah. Because in there is Haying.
Yeah, Haying.
Or Haying.
Haying.
Hello, how are you? How are you? You're good? Okay. Dihano. Ciao. Okay. Toto. Ciao. Bye.
My uncle is also a big fan of yours.
Oh, you like that?
Yes, he subscribed your channel.
Oh.
He watch every video.
Oh, thank you. No, obviously. No, of course I will take. My feet is also not.
Hello, uncle.
Hello.
I got the joke.
How are you?
I'm fine.
You're fine?
Yeah.
Okay.
What about you?
I am good. I'm good.
Do wear your slipper?
No need. Oh, you watch UFC?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, nice.
My phone, all AB family is there.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
We just want it AB family.
Oh.
Always
Thank
to
you.
watch your videos in here.
Thank you very much.
That words that you say, me.
Nee.
You love that word, no? That you
Yeah.
Wanna have tea?
Yes, let's have tea. Nah?
Okay.
Why not?
Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, we always watch all your videos.
Oh, thank you very much. Yes, you can do. Now it's playing only. So now,
Subscribe to Paduaki.
now all of you are.
Subscribe to AB family.
Yes, your uncle want to be in the video.
Yes.
Yeah.
Let me just shoot also for your uncle a little bit. Uncle is also here, nah.
Hi.
Big supporter. Thank you very much for seeing our videos, watching our videos. We appreciate it a lot. Mo.
It's okay.
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you for the tea and the biscuits. Nah. Good play, Mo.
Come again.
Yes, thank you. Thank you. Okay, one more question. Yes. Wow, what a family. Thank you very much for the tea. Good tea actually. Very good. Tasty tea. Whoever make it. Very tasty tea. Nice people. Very nice people only. Hello. Piikartengaja. Okay, I just go a little bit on this side more and then let me check it out. What time is it? Because I think it will go back home 5 hours. Something like that. Let's try my Marang language. Piikartem aja. Piikartem aja. Karteng aja. Hi. Me aki. Tu. Hi. Aki. Okay.
Where are you from?
I'm from Finland.
Finland?
Finland, yes. Piikarten aja. What is your name?
Name?
Okay.
And you?
Aki.
Aki.
Nice to meet you. Okay, Mo. Okay. Let's go from here. Okay. I have met in Khasi. I met Ha, and then now I met Oi.
How are you?
I am good. How are you?
I'm fine.
This is your shop.
Yes.
What do you sell?
I sell connection SIM card.
Like that?
Yeah.
Also clothes you sell?
Yeah.
Wow. Good. Who was the bike driver there in Khasi? The one was Ha. Was the other one Ha? And then she was So Ha. Like that. What are you doing? Building a shop? Yeah. Dukan? Dukan? Yes. Okay. Biang mo? Tidak ada pamja? Lag pamja. Piikartem aja. Piikartem aja. Aki. Tu. Pi. Pamja. Okay. Bye. Learning my. Oh, kuple. Piikartem aja.
Keteng krolinong si.
Oh, Aki. Aki. At least she understood what I'm trying to say.
Hoi, Aki.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine.
Piikartem aja. Piikartem aja.
Karteng.
Karteng. Star. You are a star. Okay, you are a star of Maukaram yacht. Maukarwat. Piikartem aja.
Keteng Bismora.
Oh, Bismora. Okay, karteng Aki.
Siya kaha. Bosti.
Kahaposti. Nompo. Kahaposti. Piikartem aja.
Keteng ayapi.
Karteng ayapi. Aki. Nice to meet you. Oh. This is a real Bulbaring. Oh, it's the Bulbaring. You call Bulbaring this one? Bulbaring. Can you sing Bulbaring? Karteng Bulbaring. Okay. Oi, kumno.
Yeah.
Hane. And this is a taxi stand. Taxi, oi. Klein. Piikartem aja.
Nah,
Nga.
yang Barit.
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 Okay, Barit. Aki. Shayo. Shano. Shano taxi, Shano. Oh, Shano. Shilong. Oh, Hane. Oh.
Hatai semua.
Hatai.
Ada semua.
Sumo Shilong. Oh. Shilong and somewhere else also only Shilong. Sumo only Shilong.
Yeah.
Oh, Sandur. Okay.
Go to driver.
Okay, nice people here. Maran people are nice. Oi, noi. Hello. Let's go here. That looks a little bit more busy. Yeah, come. Always. Let's go here. Let's go here only. Oh, Shayo. Pi kartem kumno.
Nga, kerteng babak manga.
Okay. Biang mo.
Biang.
To. Ane. Late no. To. Late no. Oh, hello. What is this? Maybe I have not been here or have I been here? Let's roam around quickly here. Oh, kumno. Sit down. Kumno pilo. I coming from Nompo. No.
Yes, here.
No, I go back.
Back.
Yeah, I go back.
Yes.
Hello. How are you?
Very good.
Yeah.
Friend.
Your friend?
A friend, yes.
Oh,
Friend.
pareng. Friend.
My friend.
Your friend.
Yes.
Oh, very good. You speak good English. Kram pareng biang.
Yeah, two of something.
Oh, me Khasi
Khasi
lawai.
something.
Sumching.
Yes.
Khasi suki.
Suki.
How you say little?
Little.
Oh, kumno little.
Little. Two.
Tu. Tue. Khasi tue. Okay, mo.
Yes.
Okay, mo. Thank you very much. God bless you. Yes. Okay, what a wonderful man. Oi. Hello. Wonderful man. Okay, where we are now? Hello. What is this place? Oh, how are you?
I'm fine.
You're fine. You eating this one? Ali muri. Everybody loves ali muri
You
here.
want to eat?
No. I'm fine. I'm lakadang. Mo. Oi me. Okay, I will go here now.
Yes.
Bye. Okay, this is a bus or what? No, I came around. Did I came around? Shano, bus. Krangkasi. Plankeci.
Hey,
Pilate plankeci.
I want to take a selfie.
Okay, let's have a selfie. Yes. Shano.
Plankeci be like.
Plankeci late. Oh, plankeci late. Okay. Pilate. Mo, safe trip. Okay. I'm somewhere. Where I am? I don't even know where I am. Hello. Come on. Okay, let's go check it out. This guy's here. Come on. Biang mo. Maram. Oh, kublay mo. Shano taxi. Shano. Thumbs up. Motong para sa. Okay. Oh, every Shilong also Shilong. Shano taxi Shilong. Mo. Oh, Xinjiang. Oh, Shilong side the taxi goes Shilong. So Shilong, that side only. Shilong. Now we're gonna go back to my auto. My golden auto. Shayo. Okay, Mo. Let's try to go here.
Where are you from?
Finland.
Where are you going?
Nompo. Yeah, now I go back Nompo.
I know you on YouTube.
You have seen?
I see.
Did you like?
Yes. Subscribe.
Subscribe also. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Nah?
Yes.
Okay, I'll go. Bye. Late no. Late no. Hello, Biang kumno. All good. How are you? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, Mo. Bye. Okay. Hello. How are you? All good.
I'm fine.
All good.
Yes.
All good. Hello. Okay, Mo. Nice people here. Khasi people. Like that. Oi. I would like to have nice cappuccino, but I think not possible in this side. Gonna have a coffee in Shilong. Hello. Yes. Hello, how are you? All good, ne? Oh, you have seen in video. Thank you very much. Thank you. Appreciate it. Mo. From where? Sano village. Me Nompo. Oh, you put these rocks very small. 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 Oh, come noi. Biang mo. Oh, toto mo. Hah? Minye. Makarwat and Nompo. Oh. Makarwat Nompo. Oi. How many hours you work? This one. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Way are like sun set you round. Eh? We are trying to have a conversation here. Can I try this? Can I make this tuk? I try. Can I try? Mapi mo. I try. Try. This one. This one. This one. Oh, mo. Biang. Oh, like this. Come to. Bang. This is more harder. Biang mo. Come to. Oh. It's actually very hard job, this one. I think they do many hours, this one, 8 hours. If you have sun also, oh shit mo. Nah, and slap. Nah, like that. Hey, chicken up mo. Go play. Go play only. Go play. Oh, hello. Biang. Come Nompo.
Hello.
So this is which village is this one?
Pongkung village.
Pongkung village. Pongkung village. Is it a good village? Good village. Manis. Wait a second, let's go check it out quickly. Okay, bye ma. Bye. Let's go check it out. What's going on here? People are playing or what? What's it? Hello, what do you play? You want to have picture or what? Whoa. Yay! Hello. So you are a basketball team or what? Basketball. Okay, good. What is your team name? Do you have a name on your team?
Yes.
Which one?
They are Mowgli and we are Nili Malbanyang.
Who is winning? So who is winning?
The team is still on.
Okay, so it's still on the process. Friendly match. Okay, good. Oh yeah. Should renew the crown.
By this year, I should try to.
So this is a school or?
Yeah. That one.
Southern Maukpuria Presbyterian Secondary School.
Yes.
Like that. Okay, good. Yes, let's have a selfie. Thank you. Okay guys, thank you. I will go, ne? Have a good game, Mo. Bye. Alright, bye guys, Mo. Bye. Oi. Late no, Mo. Okay. Oh, just came to check. They are playing what? Basketball there. Hello. My goodness, I need to have this Chantamo because it's very cold in this area. In Nompo you don't need this one, but definitely here you need because it's windy, it has been raining. So that's what. Hi. Shindor, hi. Go play. Okay, let's have a photo. Yes. Climb. Alright. Back to Nompo.